Hello everybody, today I will show you how to send and receive files, picture, videos or anything you want from PC to the phone and from the phone to the PC. First you will download a free application, its name Share It. You will download it on the PC and the phone. We will open it. I opened it. It likes that. Now we will open it on the phone. Then you will choose to send from the computer or from the phone. I will send from the phone. I click on send. I choose what I want. Go here, photo. I will take the photo, then I click on send. Then sorry, it takes some time on the computer. It's very slow. So we will the device will appear for us as you see. It is the same name. Here it's here. Then we will click on it. Then we will click on accept. When starting, as you see, it's downloading on the PC now. Take some time. I will pause the video until it completes the download. Now it completed. As you see, it is here. I click here. It tells me open containing folder or delete. I will click on open. It's opening only. My photo is here, as as you see, it's here. It is the same photo. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to write a comment if there is any question and give to me a like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.